Hello, in this video I want to show you a few tips how to configure Samsung Galaxy A55 for a senior person. And to do this, first we'll need to open our settings. Inside, look for the display settings. Then we can scroll down and go for font size and style. Here you'll be able to adjust your font styles and make it bigger or smaller. We're gonna go for the biggest option available. Then we can also activate the bold text, which will make all of the font on your phone bigger. Then we can go back, and here in the main settings page, scroll down and look for accessibility. Now inside accessibility you can find multiple different settings. We're gonna go for the vision enhancement. Then you can switch between default high contrast or large display options. We're gonna go with large display. Click on apply, and this will make everything on your display even bigger. Then there's high contrast theme. If you want it, you can activate it. If not, then there's no need. It just makes some of the things more readable if you have any disease or something that messes up with the vision. Then there's high contrast fonts that we can activate, which adds a black outline to all of the text, and it's mostly visible on the home screen. Then we have high contrast keyboard, which will change add black letters and yellow background for our keyboard. Highlighting buttons will highlight the buttons. Relumino outline, see objects in images and videos more clearly with strong outlines. Adjust the color and thickness of the outlines to make them stand out. So when we activate it, it will do something like this, and if you need it, you can enable it and then customize those settings. I'm going to disable that for now. Then there's the color inversion, color correction, and that is all of the settings that you also it's preferable. So if you need any color inversion on your phone, you can activate that. I'm also gonna leave that off. Then we can reduce animations, which will reduce motion sickness when you're using your phone. It will disable all of the animations. Reduce transparency and blur, and this should also reduce motion sickness while using your phone by reducing visual effects on dialogues and menus to make them easier to see as well. There's also extra dim, which will basically change brightness on your phone and lower it. And there's also magnification that we can activate with a shortcut. You can select whichever you want. I'm gonna go with accessibility button, which should appear right here. When you click on it, you enter zoom mode, and you can move around with that window to zoom into all of the text or any image or whatever you want. And honestly, that would be all of the settings I would recommend to change. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.